G'day, good day, and how you going? Just say good day, and you'll be right.
Well, g'day. Welcome back to the bush shed. Well, as you know, I haven't been posting a lot this year so far, and it's February. I should have posted something well before this, and I'm sorry. But this is a quick little job that's going to turn out, I hope, very, very nice. A young man who does a radio show, retrorocklive.com. Go there, that's my radio show, along with Mark Flanagan. And him and I have been doing that show for over 10 years now. But we've got a young protege by the name of Ollie. He gave me that. Yes. So, he said to me, Ben, he said, make me something. So I thought, bugger it, he wants to buy himself, sell the guitars, and buy himself a really nice semi-acoustic. So I thought, what better than a guitar stand? A nice wooden guitar stand made of a couple of different types of timber. Right, what I'm going to use is this beautiful piece of hardwood. I think it looks like a bit of river gum. I'm not too sure, to be honest with you. I think it might be though. But that's going to be the base plate, and the guitar's going to sit like on that. Yes, it is. I'll show you. Won't be a second. My guitar. Now you've seen my guitar. I've played a bit of music. So, you're wondering how? Well, that sits there, and the guitar will sit there. Like that. Okay? What I will do is there. So, once this goes in, once I get that, then I can figure out a level top. I think it'll be fine. I honestly do. I think it should be fine. So if I can get that in straight there like that, and what I'll do is I can use another piece of nice bit of hardwood I've got out the back there. So that'll sit there like that, and I'll put another piece of wood on there like that, and here will be a little hook like that. Okay, and the guitar will sit in there. Okay, beauty. Let's get on with it. Now, I have my force plate. So the best way to do this, would be, of course, to do a test hole, which is quite easy. Piece of wood. Don't you just love these things? They're awesome. I think that'll do. I think that'll work. Unfortunately, I don't have a Forstner bit big enough. Well, I do. I have a Forstner bit too big and one too small. So, at the end of the day, I just need to sand this down a little bit so I can get it in there. All right. Shouldn't be a very hard build, as I said at the beginning. Let's see how we go. Look at that, beautiful. problem. Bloody brilliant, look at that. So now, a little hook will come out here like that. The guitar should sit like that. A little bit further out, so about there, like that. See what I mean? Brilliant. Absolutely brilliant. Good stuff. Alright, well, I know how that's supposed to line up now, so I'll tell you what, that's close to the level, you know. It wouldn't be far off it. No, I might leave it like that. Right, now of course, can't have this square, so I'm going to get the router, get a nice edge routed on it. I might cut the edges off, make it into a bit of a 45 degrees off of that, give it a bit of character, and then round the edges over, or put a track in it of some sort. That'll be basically it, that's it. I think I might use this. There you go. That's how it's supposed to go on. Look at that. Ripper. I get a nice piece of wood, which I do have, a nice piece of dark wood, and I'll cut it out on like a semicircle, and then I'll round this edges off here to go in there like that, so it'll look really, really cool. So yeah, that's going to look really good. There's an acoustic, that's a wider one. The acoustics are wider, so I think we can have it sitting there just like that. Alright, got an idea now, haven't we? Beauty, let's get on with it. So there we go. I'll tell you what, she's looking good, isn't it? Alright. Coming along really, really well. I'm pleased with this. Okay. So, different shape now. Look at that. Beautiful. Love that. This goes in there like that. Alright, let's give it a whack down. Beautiful. Lovely. Let's get this. I think that'll do. I lost me knob. That knob. We got the stick happening and the piece of wood to go on the top. Even got the hole cut out, as you know. Alrighty. Now, behind the scenes, I've gone ahead. I've actually cut this down a little bit shorter. Actually, quite considerably shorter. Quite considerably shorter. By that much. By about 4 inches. So about 100 mil. Because when I had a look at the guitars, it's just not going to fit a guitar. It's only going to fit an acoustic guitar. So, at the end of the day, we don't just want an acoustic guitar. We want all of the guitars to be able to fit, correct? Correct. So, what better guitar to test it on than the very guitar that he gave me. There you go, ladies and gentlemen. There's the telly. Hey? What a lovely little guitar. What do you think? Hey? Beautiful little Telecaster. So now this is obviously mine, but if he gets an electric, it'll fit here without any problems. So now that will go there like that. That'll go in there like that. Look at that! Hey? What a bloody ripper. Got to be happy with that. Excuse me, getting over the flu. So now I've got to have this cut down, sand out the inside of this, and I do need to cut that channel that I made earlier a lot deeper. So let's get into that. I know, I keep forgetting. Need to pick up my knob again. You are rude. Don't be so bloody rude. It's a knob. Alright? Yeah. Stay, knob. Good. Alright. I'm taking some beautiful red gum. Look at that. It's bloody gorgeous, isn't it? Beautiful. I'll cut it down to size. Put it in like that. Okay. What that's supposed to do is, well, hold the guitar in place. So let's get this on. Put that up there just for the time being. Get this, and hope to goodness, oh, look at that, absolutely beautiful. Sweet, love it. Oh, that's great. That sits really, really well now. Beautiful. Don't even move. Look at that. Lovely. Just sits in there nicely. The acoustic's going to sit in there nicely as well. So, awesome. Beauty. Happy with that. Alright. Now, let's get this one shaped up. What do you think? Looks bloody good, doesn't it? Let's get it on, eh? I think it's bloody ripper. All I've got to do is glue it all up, give it a good sand, we're done. Not yet. Oh, by the way, advertising a good friend of mine. He copied me, but it's all right. I'll let him go. All right. No worries, Shane. I'll let you go. You know, people just copy me. It feels really good. Feels good. No, you're not going to see it. Not yet. Right. It's been lacquered. This is the next day. Sanded it. You saw me doing some lacquering, and now I've got to put the old rubber on it so that it doesn't hurt the old guitars. Anyway. Get into it, eh? That was easier than I thought. That's quite so, actually. Alright, well, it's finally finished. It's about time I can reveal it to you. Hey. Now, Ollie, this is for you, buddy. I hope you like it. I really do. Ready? Set? 1, 2. Oh, bugger it. Ta-da! There you go. What do you think? Hey, what do you think? It's a bloody treat, doesn't it? Hey, all those colours turned out. Of course, I've got the rubber on there. The guitar sits in there. So it doesn't get hurt. Of course, rubber up in there when the neck goes, eh? Bloody ripper. Hey? Looks a bloody treat, doesn't it? Hey, I like it. I hope he likes it too, eh? Well, all I can say to that now is that's the end of it. Thank Christ for that. A lot of modifications, a lot of differences, a lot of changes. I thought it was going to be a quick build, but it wasn't. But never mind, that's the way it is. Pop along to all my Facebook page and Twitter and Instagram, all down there. As well as our radio show, which is retrorocklive.com. Young Ollie's on our show there with us. So, Ollie, thank you very much for the guitar, and I hope that this serves you really well with your new semi-acoustic, alright? retrorocklive.com, make sure you go there, and you click on the on-demand, or you click on the listen live, and you'll hear us, and you could never miss us, because the on-demand will always be there, alright? So make sure you tune in, alright? You do a great show. Take care of yourself. See you next time. Hooray.
Isn't it great to be an Aussie whenever you're stuck for what to say? If you want to be dinky-die, why don't you give it a try? Look 'em right in the eye and say good day. Good day, good day. How you going? What do you know? Well, strike.